I'm starting with my face already done with my foundation concealer. I've also set my concealer and I've also done my brows. So for my everyday eye look, I use my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. I've had this palette since Black Friday and I've been using it every day since. And these are the shades. For my transition shade, I'm going to use this orange shade called Morocco. It's the first shade in the palette. And this shade is replacing my Anastasia Beverly Hills shade in Morocco. I do love both those shades, and this is a very good replacement. So I'm just adding that in my transition area with a Morphe E25 blending brush. And I'm just going to add a pop of shimmer on my brow bone, and I'm going to be using this shade called Zori, and just adding that to my brow bone. And just to ensure that there's no harsh line, I'm going back with that E25 blending brush with the Morocco shade. I did not add any more product, and I'm just blending into that transition area. Next, I'm using this deep burgundy shade right underneath Morocco called Jezebel. And I'm going to add that to my crease area as well as my inner corner, and then I'm going to blend the two together. So just watch and you'll see.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll.
And now I'm just blending the two shades together, and I'm going back in with my Morphe E25 blending brush, adding some more of the Morocco shade, and then going back and forth.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
For my lid, I'm using this gold shade called Nairobi.
Finding life along the way.
And now I'm just gonna wet my brush using some setting spray.
Echoing around.
And as you can see, the shade is more pigmented now that it is wet, and I'm just going back with the shade Jezebel just to intensify the look.
Through the wastelands, through the.
I'm adding the shade Jezebel to my bottom lash line with a pencil brush, and then I'll go and add the shade Morocco as well right underneath.
and on
And as for an inner corner highlight, I'll be using the same shade Zuri that I used on my brow bone right in my inner tear duct. I added my lashes off camera, the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I did not do a wing liner for my everyday look. I like to keep it pretty simple. So now I'm just going back in with the Jezebel shade and just redefining the look. For lips, I'm using the Crayon Case liquid lipstick in the shade Gumbo.
wastelands through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands through the highways, and on we'll go.
And for highlighter, I'm going back in with that same shade Zuri that I use on my inner tear duct as well as my brow bone. And I'm going to use that as a highlighter. I've already added it to my bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. And I'm just going to add it to my cheeks. And that here is the final look. This is my typical go-to look. And I do appreciate you all for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.